At Trout Lake East, pristine organic farmland in central Washington state, USA, there's an eye in the sky keeping crops safe during vulnerable harvest times.
What we do is consistent with Nutrilite's sustainable farming operation. First and foremost, it's natural. We're using trained wild-type predators in a natural setting to deter pest birds.
Did he say wild predators?
This is Copper. He's a Nutrilite falcon. Copper is a 4-year-old red-naped Shaheen. It's a Middle Eastern species of falcon. He's a fierce little predator, and he's immensely intimidating to pest birds, but he's an absolute sweetheart.
Copper and other falcons are trained by specialized falconers to fly over the farm when crops are most vulnerable to attacks from crop-eating pest birds. They don't attack the pests, just chase them out of the airspace, if you will.
They soar over the fields, and they create this cone of deterrence, essentially, that every pest bird for miles is tuned into and aware of, and it's that chronic predatory presence that keeps the pest birds chased away from the farm during that critical window when the crop is down and vulnerable to damage from the birds.
Farm managers say Copper loves his job, but always returns to his handler when it's time for dinner. Chris Copes, WHQ News.